Alright, let's solve for x in this equation. It says x plus 3 all raised to the power of 6 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 6. How do we solve this? Now the first thing to do here is to say that recall that a raised to the power m all raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power n all raised to the power of m equal to a raised to the power m times n. From here we have x plus 3 all raised to the power 2 all raised to the power of 3 to be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power of 3. We can also write this as x plus 3 all raised to the power of 3 all raised to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 3 all raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 0. Okay? Moving on from here, we can say this is difference of two squares. We can use a minus b into a plus b to be equal to a squared minus b squared. We can use this relation to solve this. So this will now become equal to, this is a and this is b. X plus 3 all cubed minus 2 cubed, okay, all multiplied by x minus 3 all cubed plus 2 cubed. This is equal to 0. Okay. Now, moving on from here, we can use the law of difference of 2 cubes to solve this. And the law of difference of 2 cubes says that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. The law of sum of 2 cubes, we say that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so I'm going to use these laws to solve this. So using these laws, we will now have that x plus 3 minus 2, okay, that's for this one, multiplied by x plus 3 squared minus 2 times x plus 3, okay, plus 2 squared, which is, plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 2 squared, which is 4. And this is multiplied by x plus 3, okay, plus 2 into, okay, what we're going to have here is now x plus 3 all squared minus 2 into x plus 3 plus 2 squared. Alright, this now becomes equal to x plus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 2x plus 6 plus 4 into x plus 5 multiplied by x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 2x minus 6 plus 4 equal to 0. This is now equal to x plus 1 into x squared, 6x plus 2x is equal to 8x, 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 6 is 19, into x plus 5 into x squared plus 4x, 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have plus 7 is equal to 0. From here, we now have either that x plus 1 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 1, or x plus 5 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 5, or x squared plus 8x plus 19 is equal to 0. And using the law of quadratic formula, you have that x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Hence, x will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 4 times 19 all over 2. From here, you have that x will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 76 all over 2. Moving on, you now have that x will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 76 is negative 12 all over 2. Now have the x will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus 2I root 3 all over 2. Hence from here you have that x will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus I root 3. These are the second set of answers for x. So we've had x is equal to minus 1. We have x is equal to minus 5. We also have x is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 and minus I root 3. Or x squared plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. Implying that using the quadratic formula we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 7 is 28 all over 2 to be equal to x. X will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 28. 16 minus 28 is negative 12 all over 2. X will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2I root 3 all over 2. Now that x will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus I root 3. Okay, so these are the second set of answers for x. So we have that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus I root 3, or x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus I root 3, or x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 5. So these are the 6 answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.